Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Friends, today in this video we will discuss about some of the major important benefits of Sarvangasana, the all members pose. So friends, let's get started. Benefits of Sarvangasana. The Sarvangasana improves the function of the thyroid, parathyroid and pituitary glands due to the increased oxygen and blood. All of the other endocrine glands are regulated by the pituitary gland, and so the overall function of the endocrine system is improved. This results in the improved functioning of all other systems of the body and the reduction of emotional and mental stress. Stagnant blood from the lower regions of the body, that is legs and abdomen, is drained to the heart, thereby improving the supply of fresh blood to these parts and the whole circulatory system. Blood supply to the head area, that is brain, eyes, ears, nose and throat, is improved, thereby improving their functioning. Therefore, all of the pelvic and abdominal area circulation, ear, throat and nose elements are improved. The lung capacity is increased as the diaphragm, which is the muscle of the respiration, has to work against the gravity in this posture. This helps in the abdominal respiration and is therefore helpful in the treatment of asthma. Toxins in the respiratory system are drained, thereby improving the respiratory system. It prevents and cures varicose veins. Detoxification of the body due to improved efficiency of the organs of the body, which leads to youthfulness and anti-aging effects. It normalizes body weight due to its effect on the thyroid. Due to the effect this asana has on the hormonal system, particularly the thyroid, it balances the circulatory, digestive, reproductive and nervous system. Due to the increased blood flow to the head, the mind is tranquilized. Stress and psychological disturbances are removed. The increased blood flow can be beneficial for those who suffer from headache, though it should not be practiced at the time of headache. The thymus gland is stimulated, which boosts the immune system. It balances the parathyroid glands, which ensures regeneration and normal development of the bones. It releases the normal gravitational pressure from the anus muscles, which helps with hemorrhoids. The nerves passing through the neck are toned and the neck flexibility is increased. The digestive system is greatly improved due to the increased blood circulation and drainage of stagnant blood. The pranic flow is harmonized, increasing energy and having a positive effect on all the body systems. Sarvangasana has all the benefits of Sirsasana, but it's easier and safer to practice. Some important benefits of Sarvangasana for women. It is beneficial for the reproductive system as there is fresh blood to the pelvic region, as the stagnant blood is flushed from the organs and therefore increased efficiency of the reproductive organs. It strengthens the uterine ligaments as the gravity acting on the ligaments in Sarvangasana is in opposite direction. It improves the functioning of the ovaries. It helps to balance the moods and calm the mind. So friends, in this video till now we have thoroughly discussed the major benefits of Sarvangasana for both men and women. So friends, if this video is useful to you, if you find this video useful, then please do like and share it, and also to get such type of videos in future, please subscribe to my channel. Friends, see you in my next video in a new topic. Till then, take care. Bye bye.